The Volleyball Rebounder Net VB-1001 is a versatile training tool designed to improve a variety of sports skills, including volleyball, lacrosse, baseball, and soccer. Its generous 7 by 4 foot size provides a large rebounding surface, allowing athletes to practice an array of shots with enhanced accuracy and improved muscle memory. This training equipment features a sturdy construction with a waterproof coated iron frame and UV-resistant net that ensure long-lasting durability against intense use and various weather conditions. The multi-angle frame design offers 5 different rebound angles, making it perfect for practicing serving, spiking, receiving, and more, catering to both novice players and seasoned athletes. Included accessories such as durable sandbags and metal ground stakes enhance stability, preventing tipping or movement during intensive training sessions. The product's lightweight and foldable design, coupled with easy assembly, make it convenient to set up, disassemble, and transport for on-the-go practice sessions.